Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be working on my journal for the 19th, the 25th, I believe. I'm a little bit confused about when I ended. I should have checked on YouTube on my actual video, and I didn't. Hold on, let me check, actually. Hold on. Let me check. Let me check for you guys, because I am really not sure. That's really sad, isn't it? It's been a really long week. But my last one was from the 13th to the 18th. So this is the 19th to the 25th. Okay, 19th to the 25th. I was right. So where are we in the grand scheme of things? I don't know. I'm not sure. I've got to start dating my journal. Okay, this is the 17th. So this is the 18th. So this is the 19th. Look. My son keeps bringing me home the Happy Meal buckets, the Halloween buckets, and these are the stickers from the buckets. So, right, this was the 17th, because I can see it says 17 on the pictures, 18th, 19th. 17th, 18th, 19th, right here. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. So I have some pictures to add, but fun fact. Guess who did not order more tape for their tape runner? That would be me. Me. Okay? I forgot. So, yeah. I'm gluing everything in, but that's fine. I'm just going to glue. I read Incendiary this day, and it was about the Mad Bomber in like the 30s, 40s, and 50s. Like that time. In New York, and this dude like put bombs everywhere in and around New York City, but he didn't hurt anybody. He didn't want to kill anybody, basically, at least not in the beginning. And then he even took a break for the war. Like, I can't. He took a break for the war. We had tacos for dinner that night. We had tacos a lot. It's my son's favorite. And you know what? Honestly, they're easy. So now we're on the 20th, and I have one photo for the 20th. And yeah, it is a picture of the Mushroom House in Disney Dreamlight Valley. Listen, I busted my butt. Do you guys play Disney Dreamlight Valley? I busted my butt to get all the moonstones from the Star Path. So I could get the Mushroom House. So I could get the Mushroom House, like, before it went away. Because, I mean, they've been, like, putting the stuff back up a lot. But you never know, and I didn't want to risk it. So. And like I said, those are the stickers from, I don't know which one this one. Oh, this was the vampire bucket. Obviously, it's a vampire. Okay. And then we are here. What did I do? Oh, that's right. Let's not discuss the fact that I re-hurt my hip again. Oh, we're not going to talk about that. So, we're not going to talk about it, okay? So this day I watched Devil's Road, The True Story of Ed and Lorraine Warren, because I watched The Devil on Trial on Netflix. That had stuff about that couple in it. So then I watched on Max. I watched that on Max. I watched this on Netflix. And I read Agatha Christie's Halloween Party. Like I said, I was in a lot of pain. So that's all I really did. So I'm going to put those on the flips. That's one of the things I like about having a flip. Then you just flip, flip, flip. And I have nothing to go there. Okay. Let's see. This was Sunday. So I had Mountain Dew. Sundays are my day that I get a soda. And Mountain Dew used to be my favorite soda once upon a time. Now I'm more of a Dr. Pepper girl, but I had Dr. Pepper like 2 weeks in a row. And my boyfriend tries to mix it up for me. So that's it. And is there any photos? Yes. So I have some photos. I read This Is How We End Things. I'm quiet because I'm trying to figure out what it was about. I remember. It was about a bunch of grad students in a program that they had like this study going where they lie to people and see what they basically screwed with people, and they wanted to see what would happen. But then people in the grad program started, being murdered. I called the ending, by the way. Okay, and I read Stephen King's The Body. My boyfriend got me The Body for my birthday, and he was listening to Shawshank on audio. So The Body is also, we had different seasons out from the library, and The Body's also on there, so I figured I would read The Body, and then I'm going to listen to Shawshank, because to buy that thin book on Amazon of Shawshank, thin, it is thin. It gets thinner than The Body, I believe. And The Body was 140 pages. Is $10. And I refuse to spend that money. So I got it out from the library because he wanted to listen to it at work. So he listened to it at work. And then I am going to listen to it probably today. And then I can return it. I might actually listen to Apt Pupil too, because that's on there too. It's Shawshank, Apt Pupil, The Body, and some other one that I'm not sure what the name of it was. It was very short, that one. So I read The Body, and while there are some significant differences to the movie, it's still spot on with the movie. You know what I mean? Like, there are some significant differences, but a lot of what's in it is still part of the movie. And listen, all I did was picture all the characters as I was reading that book. But yes, this one was, I gave 3-star because I didn't know how to rate it. And this one was 4-star because, come on. Yep. All right, then we have, this one was, another Frankenstein type. Is that what that is? So all I've been doing is taking the stickers off and lining my page with stickers. Why? I don't know. Because I can. Okay? Because listen, my kid brings me these buckets. He doesn't get them for free. He's got to pay for them. And he brings every one to me. So now I think I have 7. Because they had 4 this year. They had 3 last year, and they had 4 this year. Yeah, because I'm looking at the 3. I have 3 of them down here, and the other ones I forgot to bring down. They're in my bedroom. So I'm just going to put the stickers on. Like I said, that's what I've been doing. And then I don't have anything else for this day. Nothing. I don't know what I did this day. It was nothing, obviously. I didn't read anything. I believe I started a book. Yeah, I can see that I started a book, but that's about it. So I'm just going to do what I did with the other one and staple it on. Okay. Then this day, I have this too. I've lost my tweezers. I don't even know how many times. And then I kept finding them, and now I lost them again. So I bought new tweezers. Like, I can't. I don't know how I kept losing them. They were bright pink. Like, I don't know. But I can't find them again, so I just broke down and bought another pair. And this is the packaging from it. So this goes here. I'm just going to put it right there. And then I made mac and cheese. Homemade mac and cheese and homemade chicken tenders on Tuesday. My boyfriend had bought me these noodles. I used the noodles. They were wheat noodles. So that's what I used to make the mac and cheese. I made homemade mac and cheese and homemade chicken tenders is what I made. And then yesterday I made nothing because I was dizzy all day. Hold on. Let me answer him. Okay. So my hip is still hurting. My boyfriend was asking me because I told him it hurts worse today than it did yesterday. But I didn't do anything yesterday. I woke up dizzy. Very dizzy yesterday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today's Thursday. I woke up very dizzy yesterday. I mean, really dizzy. I could barely get off the bed. I almost fell over off the bed. But yeah, so I was really dizzy yesterday. And so I didn't do anything, but my hip was feeling better yesterday, and I think today my hip hurts because I didn't do anything yesterday. You know what I mean? Like, I didn't stretch it, I didn't move around, I didn't do anything. So I read Karen Slaughter After That Night, which is the latest in the Will Trent series, and it was so good. I did call it from the beginning, but it was still so good. I gave it 5 stars. It was a 5-star book. Also, Tuesday I hit my 40-pound weight lost. Yes, it's lost. That weight is lost for good, okay? Ain't coming back. So that's what I did Tuesday, and then yesterday I read The Last One by Will Dean. I had taken it out of the library. It had just come out not too long ago. And I finally read it yesterday. It's been in Libby for a few days now, and I finally read it yesterday, and it was weird. I gave it 3 stars. I give 3 stars to books when I don't know what to rate them. That way it's smack dab in the middle. And I did not know what to rate this book. If you've read it, let me know, because it was weird. And then I watched Get Gotti on Netflix while I crocheted. And since I couldn't cook, my kid got chilies. So, and then got me chilies, and I was not happy. I keep getting new stuff to try at Chili's, and I'm never happy with it, and I really need to stop getting new stuff. I need to stick with the tried and true, because I'm never happy anymore with it. So that's my week. There are how many days left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days left of the month. Look at that. This guy got big and fat. Look at him. Like, he's chubs. He's a chubby boy. But that's it for today. This is a quick one. I haven't been working out. I had a doctor's appointment on Friday. It was a video visit. So I had a doctor's appointment on Friday, and when I told her that my sciatica was acting up, she said to me, "Are you still working out?" I said, "Well, I went back to working out." And she went, "Oh." She goes, "Don't push it." And I said, "I'm not. I was feeling better, so I thought it would be okay to work out." And then I woke up Saturday, and I had re-aggravated it, and I was in so much pain again on Saturday. So then I decided that I am not working out until Monday. Like, I'm going through this whole week without working out, and now it's Thursday, and I woke up and it hurts again. So I just told my boyfriend, if it still hurts on Monday, I will make a doctor's appointment, and I will go to the doctor, because, like, I'm resting it. I'm behaving with food. I still, even though I'm not working out, I still lost another pound. So I'm behaving with food. I'm not working out. I'm resting it as much as possible, yet still walking around to stretch it, and it just will not go away. I don't think there's anything a doctor can do, but I can at least make sure it's my sciatica. That's like where I'm at this point. That's how I feel. Like, that's the pain it is. But I can at least make sure it's that and not anything else. So that's the plan. So I'm being lazy and not working out, and my big fear is that I'm going to get so used to working out that I'm not going to be able to work out again. Like, I'm just going to have no motivation to do it, and that means gaining all the weight back and taking a step back again, because this has happened to me before. But anyway, why you guys don't care. Why am I even telling you? Also, I lost my ring. See that? My finger feels naked. I lost my ring. It was a silicone ring, and I lost so much weight. It was so loose. And for about a month now, it's been really loose, but I've been catching it as it's sliding off, and I haven't lost it, and I lost it the other day. And then I ordered another ring. But yeah, I'm so sad. It's gone. I feel really naked without it. Anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. This was a quick one. And there's not much going on in my life. So there's that. But yeah, thanks for watching. Comment down below and let me know any good books you've read lately, or anything good shows or documentaries, anything like that, because I need to finish this blanket I'm working on. So I need to either listen to an audiobook or watch something. So let me know. And yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.